Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're exploring the amazing benefits of multimedia and ICT in our daily lives, from education to healthcare, business, and entertainment. These technologies are revolutionizing the 21st century.
Is a multimedia.
Multimedia and ICT enhance learning experiences, making education more engaging, accessible, and fun.
With multimedia tools, we can create interactive lessons, share resources, and collaborate globally. Tama na!
ICT enabled telemedicine, improving healthcare accessibility and outcome.
Telemedicine reduces wait time, increases patient engagement, and enhances care coordination.
Multimedia and ICT fuel business, growth, innovation, and global connectivity.
ICT, we can reach new markets, collaborate remotely, and respond to customer needs in real time.